This tool will display all relevant measurements for the signal being tuned. The measurement inside a yellow square is plotted in the window's upper area. That plot will monitor continuously the measurement value. Besides the power level, carrier to noise, MER, link margin, and pre and post BR, we find in the window lower area the PR, packet error ratio, the channel center frequency, its offset, bandwidth, and as well the total power being received through the meter's input. If we press on the cog at the top right corner of the measurements panel, we will find an option which allows us to reset the PR measurement. This tool will show us all the modulation parameters of the signal being tuned and demodulated. The top area displays the most relevant information, while the bottom one delves into more detailed data.